Good morning, folks. Thanks so much for clicking your way to myhotplains.com. Meteorologist Nick Lilly here, taking a look at something that looks, well, kind of ominous and eerie. But don't worry, this is actually the cell that rolled through Borger, and you might be saying to yourself, hey, Nick, we got a tornado on the ground, but actually we don't. This is just steam rising up from the ground. So do keep in mind, if you are going to go out and weather watch or storm chase on your own accord, please, number one, be very, very, very careful. But number two, make sure, if you're going to call the National Weather Service or alert anyone, that you do see what you are actually seeing. Maybe confer with a friend and say, hey, are you seeing the same thing that I'm seeing? Just to make sure. By the way, thanks to Jay McCoy for that picture. We do have the opportunity for some more severe weather today. Basically, in some of our eastern counties, got a low severe weather threat for basically most of the eastern Texas Panhandle and a medium threat as you get toward the border with Oklahoma. The National Weather Service has even indicated between a 5 to 10% chance of a tornado in some of our northeastern counties across the Texas Panhandle. So do keep that in mind. If you're going to be traveling today, or if you do have family up there, give them a call, let them know what's going on. How much rain did we get yesterday? Well, folks, a lot. Hey, how about just outside of Mobeetie, we had one of the weather stations that picked up over 6 inches of rain. I'm not sure if somebody just left the sprinkler on or something, but I will say that all of these others are legit. Fritch, just about 4 inches of rain out toward Tex Line. They got 3 inches. Cactus, 3 inches. 2.5 out in Canyon. Morse even ended up with about 2 1/4. And even out toward Sunray and Dumas, over 1.5 inches. Now, when you get toward, how about Borger and Dalhart, both coming in with record rainfall from yesterday. And Amarillo picked up actually 0.83 inches of rain, not 0.80. But hey, we got a lot of rain and we needed it, folks. Here in town, it jumped us up from being about 1 inch back to only about 1/4 inch back. So we'll take it. 83 degrees for a high temperature today. We'll clear everything out. Most of the action will be off to our east. 83 in Pampa, 80 in Clarendon. You folks in Beaver, back toward Shamrock, and Childress have the opportunity for the severe weather today. Cooler in Dalhart and Clayton, back to the northwest. You folks, well, of course, in Dalhart, having to melt all of that hail today that you got yesterday. 83 in town for today, 82 for tomorrow, with the lingering possibility of some showers and thunderstorms in some of our eastern counties. We will turn breezy here in town on Friday. That'll turn windy as we move Saturday into Sunday. The cool down does come as we move Sunday into Monday. Of course, the 80s as we move Saturday into Sunday. And then, hey, how about this? Just 68 on your Sunday, 64 on Monday. Hey, but don't worry, by the time we get Tuesday into Wednesday, we warm things right back up into the 70s. Again, thanks so much for clicking your way to myhotplains.com.